The Lifeguard team is a fantastic staff of great people. Lifeguard cast members have many responsibilities, and the role can be challenging. So I'm sure you're wondering, what does it take to do these roles? So let's find out. Let's get to work. Here we're going to complete a swim test. So we're looking for Ivan.
Hi, Chris. Welcome to the pool.
Hi, Ivan. Thanks a lot. We're here to find out what it takes to be a lifeguard at the Disney Parks and Resorts, and this looks like a terrific place to start.
Well, if you're going to be a lifeguard, then you're right. You will have to take a swim test.
I'm up for it. What do I do?
Well, listen carefully. You must pass this test to be a lifeguard.
Okay, so the pressure's on.
Yeah. Well, here's what you got to do. Swim 200 yards.
200 yards. No problem.
Well, I'm not done yet.
Okay.
Then you have to dive down feet first and retrieve this.
I can do that.
All right, then tread water for 2 minutes with your hands above water. Can you do all that without stopping for rest?
Well, I think I can.
All right.
I'll give it my best shot.
Good job, Chris. You passed.
Oh, thanks, Ivan. Wow, that wasn't easy. But you know, I think it helped build my confidence. Let's head off to the resort.
Well, not so fast. Now that you've passed your vision screening and your swim test, you can move on to 3 days of lifeguard training.
Wow, that's intensive. Well, what will I learn from this training?
You'll have in-the-pool training, infant, child, and adult CPR, AED training, lifeguard classroom training, and then finally the test out day with live scenarios.
Okay, well, after all that, I should be better prepared to do my job.
Even though you may have been a lifeguard before, everyone must successfully complete the swim test and the training course before they can be assigned to this role.
So this is our first day as a lifeguard.
Good going on your training. Now, let's get down to business.
Okay, this is a beautiful place, Ivan.
I just want to let you know that even though you successfully completed your initial swim test and training, there's still more training to do at your work location. That's where we are right now.
More training?
You're going to go through about a week worth of training at your assigned location. You'll learn procedures and day-to-day responsibilities.
Boy, you guys are serious.
That's right, and we're even audited regularly. There's one more thing. Each month you'll receive additional training so we can make sure your skills are top-notch.
This must be the best lifeguard training in the world.
Actually, it's what we feel is important for our guest safety, and we're proud of it. You will be too.
All right, so what are some of my responsibilities, other than manning my lifeguard chair?
Well, all of our cast members are responsible for helping keep up the Disney magic. That means keeping the areas clean and safe. You'll be moving pool chairs, raking sand, and keeping your work location show ready. Don't forget, you'll always be friendly and helpful to our guests. This means providing guest service by talking and interacting with our guests should pools be closed due to inclement weather.
All right, so keep it safe, keep it clean, and be helpful to the guests. I got it. Lifeguard cast members need to keep in mind, guest and cast member safety is very important. This role includes things like stretching, pushing, pulling, bending, twisting, lifting, and reaching. Lifeguards are outside in the sun most of the day. They need to have attention to detail, be self-motivated, and have a desire to be the best. They also need to be friendly and outgoing because they're going to be on stage interacting with guests. And don't forget, they may have opportunities for career growth. That's important too. Manning my first chair.